Greetings and welcome back to our videos on FQSR and ASR training. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Find Missing Student tab in the report. Students that appear on this tab are not included in the FQSR or ASR student view. These students have been identified as having some reason or conflict within their data that should prevent them from being included in this report. This tab will display those students in a grid and will highlight the data element or elements that have been identified as preventing the student from inclusion in this report. To move students from the Find Missing Student tab into the student view of the report, you must correct the issues in your local student information system, and the data will be resubmitted to the wave. Here are some of the common issues that occur that will place a student on the Find Missing Students tab. If the STN field is highlighted, the student is most likely in the STN wizard waiting to either be resolved in STN or have a new one created. For first, middle, and last names, if any of these are highlighted, there is something wrong with the name itself. If first name or last name is blank, they must be supplied. If they are filled in but highlighted, look for numbers in the name, more than two of the same letter in a row, special characters, more than one space in between a name that has multiple names. If this field is highlighted, this error can be fixed from the Data Validation Wizard column. Select the link to Has Issues, and this will take you to the Data Validation Wizard. Birth date, if not supplied, provide it. Otherwise, it will usually be students older than 26 or younger than 3. Grade must be supplied and can only be the grades pre-K through 12. A common mistake is sending UN or ungraded for a student who is 3 or 4 and should be listed as a PK student. For basis of admission, it is appropriate for students to appear in the Find Missing Students tab if the student has a basis of admission that is not eligible for membership or attendance, such as PK3. There are 3 columns at the end of the grid named STN Wizard, Data Validation Wizard, and Data Ownership Wizard. If any of these has the value Has Issues for a student, you can select it and it will take you to the appropriate wizard to identify and address the issue. For students that are missing from the report, use the Find Missing Student tab, Data Validation Wizard, STN Wizard, and Ownership Wizard to identify why those students are missing from this report. Don't forget that if you have any further questions or need further assistance, you can contact the State Aid Office or you can visit our report webpage. On our report webpage, you will find all of the information in this video, our other videos, and more compiled as a document that can be bookmarked for easy reference. Follow us to the next video for more information on this report.